guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm teaching you how to make these microwave cakes. So let's get started. First you will need some chocolate chips, nuts, whatever. 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 ramekins with a knob of butter in, and 1 egg. So let's get started. Your ramekins with the butter, make sure they're microwavable in the microwave for 10 seconds. Then you get them out and you get a little paintbrush for food and just nozzle it all around, grease it literally, and then just do it to both of them, and then just make sure you don't have big knobs of butter like that. Your tins are greased. You need to get down a bowl. I'm just using a ceramic one here, and you mix together your self-raising flour and your sugar. You want to get your egg and crack it into the mixture. Make sure you don't get any of the shells in, and just mix it in. You mix it in. It shouldn't be. Don't worry if it looks like this, because it doesn't mix in that well. So we're adding the wetter ingredients to make it more more a better consistency. So you add your milk in, mix it. It's starting to get better already. Then you add in your oil. And then you mix that in. And I think I might have added a bit too much oil in, so I can add a bit more of my other ingredients. But I'm going to add my cocoa powder in and mix. And just mix for a while, and then it should look thin now. And I'm just going to add my chocolate bits in. This bit part is optional, as well as the cocoa powder bit, so you can just have a nice vanilla bit. You could maybe make it a funfetti cake and add in some sprinkles, or you can do it however you want. You can add different essences, but I'm just doing a double chocolate cake. So next up is the bit where you put everything in the pots. So I might need a few more pots, because this is my first time trying it. So you get your 2 pots and get a spoon, get your mixture and evenly measure it out. Turns out that it just about fits in these 2 pots. So there's a tiny bit of mixture left. And guys, remember, don't eat this raw, because there's a raw egg in it. If it was a biscuit you could, but not today, because these are cakes. And yeah, none of this is sponsored. Okay, so make sure you get everything out, and then you're going to take it to the microwave. Remember, before you put these in the microwave, remember, don't get any of the mixtures on the side. So you just want to clean it down using a bit of kitchen towel. And if you don't have any of these ramekins, you can use a mug, but you've got to make sure all of this stuff is microwavable. And then you put these in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, depending on your microwave. In the meantime, I am going to tidy up the kitchen. 1.5 minutes, and I'm just going to check I'm happy with them. Remember guys, this can be very hot work, so you might need an adult. You stick it in, and if it comes out clean like mine has, it's fine. This one might need a bit more time. You just got to stick it in the places that are most messy. So if you're a bit unsure on if you put them in for quite a long time and they're still coming out dirty, just clean your towel. And yeah, so mine are done, and you can serve it with ice cream, sauce, or anything, just anything you want. And before you go, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!